Alright, this man ain't. Bro, what the fuck you doing, bro?
Get this nigga.
This nigga to get out.
Bro, we straight, bro.
Bro, we do FaceTime.
Chill, nigga.
We getting this sick right
We
now,
straight,
bro.
nigga. Right. It's your boy, go.Nolan. Come around, hit him with a let me quit it. And today I'm back with another banger. I was with the boy JGTV and Ralphie with the sick. We back with another prank. Basically the prank is I'm just coughing on the boys with the thing going on. They weren't going with it. But I'ma have to mute the parts that I say just because I do not want to get demonetized, and you know YouTube's gonna try that, but not this time, YouTube, not this time. Hey, if y'all want to see more pranks like this, make sure you smash that like button. Hey, I want you to comment down below if this prank went crazy or not, because you know I had to get them boys. If y'all boys want to see more pranks like this, let's get this video to 100 likes, and I'm definitely gonna be doing more pranks like this. And don't forget to subscribe. Motherfucker, the bell. Bing. It's your boy go.Nolan. Let's get it.
They did his hoodie, so I think he did the shorts.
Yo, I really feel like shit, bro.
Bro, you gotta chill.
You probably just, you feel nauseous, right?
Yeah, I think it's the light, bro. What we doing? What we doing?
It's probably that fucking shit you ate.
Yeah. It wasn't what I ate, bro, because I...
Some more?
Huh?
You can have some of mine, bitch.
No, yeah.
What you eat?
I should get
I had me a public sub, yeah.
Ooh.
Straight up.
Nah, I don't know what it is. I probably gotta drink more water, bro.
Forget slapped.
The who?
Forget slapped. So weird, bro.
I can't cough.
My nigga, you can
Wait, you
cough,
cough?
bro. You realize me tripping. How the hell you, bro? You don't feel good like that, bro. Every time.
But it was after we went to the store, nigga.
I felt like this last time, too. I'm even gonna cap.
You probably just nauseous,
I'm
bro.
not even gonna, bro.
Because when I came in, I was
over here
nauseous,
not
too.
feeling good, bro. All
Chill,
you gotta
what are we
do,
doing?
yo,
What are we doing?
my nigga, I don't feel good. I'm not gonna slide. That's all it takes every time. This nigga gonna come over
This
here
nigga
ready.
just cough.
Yeah, bro. Like this nigga want. He want to undercover
Bro,
cough
can
like this shit.
y'all stop playing?
My nigga, can you
What
stop
you mean?
playing, my nigga? You the one coughing. We playing. We
This
trying to
nigga
run
eyes red
up.
as
We trying to
shit.
run up a bed. He trying. Like,
Nigga, if I got a cough, what am I gonna do?
my nigga go outside, cough in the air, never come back
Hold
inside.
that shit.
I think it's like the dust, my nigga. The dust is the
My
rule.
nigga, I would be coughing too then.
Allergies? Nah. Can't be.
So you got allergies?
He feel
I got a
nauseous, bro.
headache,
Like he
nigga.
got butterflies in his
Headache and
stomach.
dizzy.
So what you?
Nigga, that's symptoms, nigga.
Symptoms of what?
They sent me home if I had
I
that
don't
shit.
got
at work.
that.
Let me search this shit, cause you.
He said there's headache, dizzy, nauseous, knows nigga everything in the world. It's 5G.
I gotta call my grandma. She know about this, bro.
He called his grandma.
You don't know.
She gonna tell him to get away from him, man. Go sit back, bro. This nigga cough,
Bro, keep that over your mouth though, for real. You need to keep.
Bro.
Damn, nigga, why you even tell me?
My nigga.
Nah, but it's like, bro, I feel super dizzy.
Nigga,
I've been feeling this for a while, too, but it's just...
Bro, just do this, like, go like this, bro, jump.
Oh my god.
Do that shit though. Make
What the
your-
fuck would I do
just
that?
deep
Make
throw the
yourself
air.
Did he just deep throw the air, bro? What are you doing?
My nigga, you need to go make yourself throw up, bro.
What the fuck is this, nigga?
Oh shit. Yeah. Hey, that's
Hey,
it.
bro, I'm
This
fucking
shit.
with you,
Huh?
We filmed enough today, bro. You gotta go.
My nigga.
Bro,
How many videos you did?
my
3?
nigga, you gotta go.
Bro, we got more shit to do, bro.
We do, but
I got
without
cat
you,
burn.
What are we doing for you,
You
bro?
need to go
What are we
take-
doing for you?
I'm gonna handle my shit. You need to go take a 2-week break, then, man.
Come on, bro, we got bangers to make!
I got Germex in the car. We're gonna get that shit.
My nigga, bro, Germax ain't gonna do shit. He need to go.
Bitch, I got it.
We not trying to,
Nigga,
She
we not
wanna fight,
tryna-
she wanna tussle.
bro. I'm not trying to be like,
Mm,
if you trying to, like this man ain't. My nigga, bro.
Yo, the
Bro.
fuck? This is yellow,
hold on,
bro.
bro. I got a nigga yellow.
Yeah.
Bro, get up, bro.
You lying, man.
Time up.
Yeah, I'm
bro.
about to take this
Bro.
home.
My nigga, you gotta go.
I don't got
Bro,
shit
bro,
either.
bro.
Hey, grandma.
This nigga just say spit yellow.
Hey, grandma. What are symptoms of this nigga coughing?
coughing.
This man right here talking about something he don't feel good.
You're tripping, bro. Come on.
What? What are the symptoms?
Coughing, fever.
What else? What else? What's wrong with you?
I'm just dizzy. I got a
He
headache.
dizzy, headache.
That's one of them. Headache, yep.
Chill.
Why are you around them, man?
We didn't know we was filming videos, but this man tripping. Talking about he don't feel good.
Bro, come on, bro. Let's go.
No, bro, you gotta go. Bro, you gotta.
What are we drinking over? Bruh.
Bro, what the fuck you doing, bro? I'm finna hit this nigga, bro.
What, nigga?
Bro, take that and you need to go out there and take it here, man. Fill it up.
Nigga, that's my water.
Water hose out there,
Hey, how
bro.
much you selling these hoes for?
Bro, chill, nigga.
Stop playing. Give me this shit. Jills?
Don't get this nigga, man.
Nah, nigga.
You gotta
Bro,
spray
these
it.
are
No.
clean. These are clean.
Don't put my shit down,
Bro.
Don't
I
touch
got-
it.
Chill.
I got
You gotta go to.
Chill.
Move, bro.
Chill, bro.
You
Nigga,
gotta-
we straight. Come on. Bro, what video you doing, bro?
told you.
What
bro.
video you doing,
I'm
bro?
saying,
So you
nigga,
can go.
you tripping.
Bro, what is he doing, bro?
Bro, this is.
Jaden, bro, help the nigga out. Help me, nigga.
Help me.
That's it, bro. That's it, bro. We
What
gotta
you-
go, bro.
What you wanna film?
Nigga, if I got anything, you got
My
it.
nigga, stop touching
If
me,
I got
bro.
anything, you got it.
Damn, what the fuck?
If
is
I
wrong
got
with
anything, you got it,
bro,
dog.
Bro, move, bro.
Chill.
Damn,
You
bro,
coming at me like that?
Bro,
Bro.
bro, tighten up, bro. You
Hey,
trip,
bro.
Alright, what we doing?
I'm finna get my shit. You gotta go. Here. We'll film later, baby.
Which I got it under my
Let's get, nigga, you know what you need? Fresh air, nigga.
fresh air?
Fresh air, nigga.
Hey, yeah, go outside, bro. You need fresh air.
Jaden, bro, bro. I need help. This nigga.
Nigga, you trapped, dude. I'm Gucci.
What you mean?
He finna give you that shit.
Hey, listen, if I got something, y'all already got it.
Straight.
Right? Straight up.
No, fuck it, nigga. Straight up. Straight up, nigga. If you got it, nigga, we was on the car, bro.
Bro, we were literally together making that video.
We was
I got it,
literally-
you got it, bro. Team.
Fuck it, man.
Yes, sir.
You're fucking stupid. You're tripping. You need a break. You need a spray.
Yes, sir.
Nigga, you
I
just
passed him out
slapped
because of the drum mix, nigga.
What y'all wanna do?
Oh, nigga, you should put, we can record like this.
Still trying to that.
Oh, for sure.
What you wanna do?
Hey, there's mad room.
What we
Put the
doing?
camera right here and we can go record here.
What camera, bro?
That one, bitch.
Let's go.
Slide, bitch. Go crazy. For real, bitch. What we finna
Bitch, I
film?
got it under my. Set
Yeah, set this shit up, bro.
it up.
Where the fuck my shit?
How you turn this bitch on? The light.
Let me see.
Come set your shit up.
That shit right, nigga.
Bro, get the fuck out, bro. Yeah, this shit, we ain't finna film, bro.
Nigga, leave my shit there.
Bro, you
Leave
tripping.
my shit there.
You tripping, bro.
You didn't even have your camera, so
At least put a mask
We
on.
using
bro.
your
Where's your,
shit.
where's your camera go?
he broke it, bro.
Can
He
you-
broke it. He's a lame ass. I don't feel good, okay? But we still gonna film and get
All right,
bangers
bro,
started.
come on, man.
We
Come
still
on.
gonna get bangers started, bro. Come on. Bro,
You right, man. We already got this shit, so.
488 and 57 people died, bitch.
Okay. And
how
you-
many?
488. Polk County got 698.
You know, L, we gonna
Paul
talk.
Conning? Yeah, nigga, y'all got more than me.
Nigga.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Nigga, so what? I got the hill. We so straight.
You smell that, bitch?
We blowing up.
I just sprayed this.
We blowing up 2020 with a team.
Yeah, sir.
Gang.
You right, bro. Fuck it. We already been hanging with you.
Yeah.
But nah, you mad though, cause bro, you came over here.
I came over here doing what?
Nigga, my immune system good. I'm straight, nigga.
My
I'm
nigga,
vitamin
my
C all day.
My shit ain't
Bro, y'all niggas don't know how to fucking use a camera, bro.
Dude, we gonna do this video
Come
or
on,
what?
bro. Yes, nigga.
tripping.
Y'all niggas keep tripping. Chill out.
You cut out the call
I
in
feel like
real life, nigga.
I feel like throwing up.
Alright, get this nigga, bro. Get out of it, bro. Stop. You for real, bro? You dead ass,
got a
bro?
bucket, bro?
My nigga, I been told you to
You
tell
got a
this
bug?
nigga. I been
Bro,
told
get
you
this
to tell
nigga
this nigga to get out.
Bro, we
man,
straight, bro.
move.
Bro, he gotta leave, bro.
You tripping.
I can't do that
I
shit,
told
bro.
you this been
What is
spread.
this
You
shit?
wanted to wait around this
Who
nigga.
book bag this is?
That's his shit. Pack his shit up.
Yo, don't touch my shit, bro. Come on. Tighten up, bro.
Bro, you tighten
Nah, tighten up, bro. How you gonna?
Bro, grab
Yo, fuck is you doing, bro? Chill. Chill. Chill, bro. Chill out.
Tighten up, bro.
Stuck in the drawer, nigga. How the fuck? Open your drawer, nigga.
Here,
Bro,
bitch.
chill out, bro. Y'all tripping.
Yo, grab all that.
Bro, watch the camera, bro. Are we filming or not, bro?
Yeah,
Are we
bitch.
filming or not?
Without you, bro. You gotta grab all your this mine.
Y'all tripping.
Yeah, you gotta get your shit.
This is
bro.
laptop?
Yeah, this is.
Yo, don't touch my shit.
Bro, don't touch me,
touch my
bro.
shit.
You got
You got to go.
Don't touch my shit,
you gotta
bro.
spread.
So y'all niggas just team up on me like that? Yo, don't touch my shit.
Don't
Chill.
touch me again, bro. You got I don't want
Chill,
to,
bro. Chill.
I'm trying to win,
Tighten up.
bro.
Bro, come on, bro.
Tighten up. Yo,
Bro, yeah, get
chill, bro.
Come
Chill.
on, bro. You got to go.
This nigga tripping, bro.
Nah,
Don't
bro.
touch my shit. That's
My
all.
nigga didn't get
I'ma
your
get
shit.
out. I'ma
and
get
go.
out. I'ma get out.
Alright,
I'ma
bet.
get out.
So
I'ma
we
get out.
straight, bet. Hurry up.
After
bro.
this video, let's go.
No, bro, we not filming with you, bro.
Nigga, we do FaceTime, bro.
Chill, nigga. Nigga, we straight. Not touch my shit, bro.
I'm trying to be gentle.
I'ma get it
with
out. I'ma get it out.
You
I'ma get out.
tripping.
I'ma get out.
You violating. You
I'm not
violating.
violating, nigga.
Hey, I'm letting you know this.
It's a little car. It's a little car. Y'all acting like
Nigga been
some
coughing for
hoes.
30 minutes.
Bro, I'm gonna back my shit up because y'all gonna break it. I'm not even in the
I'm
camera.
gonna let you know this nigga violating.
How? How?
Bro, we can film in 2 weeks.
2 weeks for what?
14 days, bro.
You need
You
to
got to go.
quarantine.
See, y'all not even messing with my shit.
Yeah, bro. Get his
Don't
shit.
touch my shit.
Bro,
Don't touch my
move
shit.
Your hand, bro.
Don't touch my shit. I'm gonna get my shit out, bro.
Bro, if this
You don't
nigga-
gotta touch. Y'all gotta do me like that, bro.
Rob, but this nigga touch me one more time, bro.
What you gonna do, bro?
what you want to
Stop
do?
playing.
Bro, come on, bro.
What
You got to go, bro.
What do you want to do?
I'm a cuffing you niggas. That niggas touch me.
You say you got to call, bro.
Yeah. Oh word. Yeah.
That's how you living?
Do it then.
Do it.
Cough on me,
Bro,
bro.
come on.
Stop playing,
Cough
bro.
on me, bro.
I'm not even gonna do that because I don't want to get sick.
I'm really on that,
Are we
bro.
straight,
You
nigga?
getting this sick right
We
now,
straight,
bro.
nigga. Chill. Chill, nigga. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank, nigga. It's a prank. I've been filming the whole time. Y'all niggas tripping. Y'all niggas tripping.
How is a prank and you coughing on me?
You say yellow
Nigga, I'm
sick right
bleeding, bro. Tripping.
No, bro, you gotta go, bro. Pack your shit.
Nigga, it's a prank. I've been filming the whole time.
I don't give a fuck, bro.
Shut up, bro. Come on.
Pack your shit.
Nigga, I'm really bleeding, bro. I've been recording this whole time, bro. Come on, bro. Tighten up.
Why you
Tighten up.
You be playing too much, bro.
This nigga play too much,
Bro, I
bro.
was about to do a video with motherfucking rapping and shit.
No.
Nah, bro, but I'm bleeding for real, bro. Y'all
Yeah, bro, you
tripping.
made him bleed, bro. Let me see.
It was a fucking prank, nigga. You play too much. Fuck, nigga.
You nigga.
Fuck, nigga.
So what?
Y'all tripping, bro.